I'm not sure if you've heard of this product yet. It's called the Plaud NotePin, and it's being marketed as the world's most wearable AI voice recorder. This idea about a product that is listening and recording audio for you so that you can use some sort of machine learning AI to transcribe that into text, it's something that seems to really be catching on lately. We've seen the hype behind the Limitless Pendant, the Anker Soundcore work, and there's even been some rumors of Jony Ive working on a voice-first hardware product that is reportedly going to be audio-centric instead of relying on a display. So you can see, there's a lot of hype behind these devices lately, and someone was nice enough to send this over, allowing me to show it off to you all. I'd like to do an unboxing video for you today, and then I'll take some time to actually use it so that I can give you an honest review of this product. So the box is rather small, not much going on the front, the top, or the sides. And on the back, you can see this is the Plaud NotePin with the model number PN0200, the wireless version of 5 volts. The battery capacity is 270 milliamp hours with a rated input of 5 volts at 0.5 amps. Once it's opened, this packaging unit has a couple of pads up here to protect the Plaud NotePin itself. And I'm guessing this is some sort of charger, but we'll get into that in a minute. It seems like that might actually be the magnetic pin. So this is how to wear it, or this is how you can use the clip. Inside this envelope is the guide kit. What you can see here is basically the starter guide, safety warranty guide. This is going to give us some information about the buttons, about downloading the app, connecting, recording, our charge indicator light. Okay, so here we have the charger. Here is the clip. I'm guessing that is the magnetic attachment. Here we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Nylon looks very high quality. And as we begin to take some of this stuff out, it's interesting, they actually have a little piece of metal right here for this to automatically adhere to. That's a nice touch. So here's everything laid out. We have the Note Pen itself, the magnetic backing, the clip, and then the charging, which is going to charge with some pogo pins. Pretty nice. There's our charging cable. We have a rubber mat pad on the bottom so that it does not slide while it's needing to charge. Again, very nice touch. And I'm looking forward to trying something like this out. I'm definitely on the fence when it comes to a product like this, but I do like the idea of spitballing ideas into some sort of audio recorder. Then, after gathering up some data after a few weeks, I can use that to write out a script for the channel, for example. It's just the gathering up part that can be a lot of work. So leveraging some sort of machine learning model that can only pull information from voice notes themselves, that's a product that can help a lot of people, especially when you think about how many people are just really bad at keeping data and ideas organized, something that I definitely need help with. If you have had a chance to try this out, I would love to hear about your experience down in the comment section below. Like I said, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to give it a few weeks, see how it works, see if I'm able to add it to my daily workflow, and then I'll come back to the channel and do a full review on it. For anyone who is curious about this, I will be sure to have a product link down in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment, so that it's easy for everyone to find.